Very good evening to my respected teachers and dear friends. I am Sanghriti Batabyal of class 8 Air Force School, Bagdogra. Today I have made a small project. The name of my project is LED distance indicator. So for this project I have used Arduino Uno R3 board, breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, jumper wires, 4 LED, USB cable and Arduino Uno app for coding and uploading data. So now I am going to show how I have joined all the components. Ultrasonic sensor. So first I have taken the ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor to the ground pin of the Arduino Uno R3 board. Then I have taken the VCC to 5 volt and trigger to pin number 12 and then echo to pin number 13. Then the LEDs. First I have taken LED 1 to pin number 8, LED 2 to pin number 7, LED 3 to pin number 6 and LED 4 to pin number 5. This is the coding of LED distance indicator. Now I am going to give my circuit a supply. So I am going to connect the USB cable to the computer. I have connected it and gave it a supply. When any obstacle comes near to the ultrasonic sensor, all the 4 LEDs starts glowing. And when it is less than 7 meter, the yellow LED stops glowing. And when it is less than 14 meter, the white LED stops glowing. And when it is less than 21 meter, the blue LED stops glowing. And when it is less than 28 meter, the red LED stops glowing. We can use this LED distance indicator in many vehicles like car, buses, trucks, etc. to reduce accidents on road, because sometimes at night the drivers are not able to see that if any obstacle is coming or not. So at that time the LED will inform them if any obstacle is coming and the driver will be saved. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed my project.